Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix ChatGPT not working on your iPhone and iOS 17. ChatGPT is a no doubt top-notch AI chatbot. It provides natural human-like response, which make it not only very useful but also quite interesting to use. However, not all iOS users have a good experience with it. There are many reports of ChatGPT not working on iPhone, and reason behind this could be anything. It's pretty hard to tell. Luckily, this is an issue that can be fixed without much hassle. So let's get start the video. Before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So the first step is log out of the account and try logging in again. ChatGPT is currently in its primary stage, so it will keep on getting updated with the time. So it's likely that server is having a glitch or bug that's preventing server to work on your account. To deal with this, you can simply log out to your account and log in again to see if it start working. And if it's still not working, then move on to the next step. The next step is clear all your browser history and data. At this time, the ChatGPT not working on iPhone issue arises due to the cache data in your iPhone browser. You can try to clear all the browser data if you have not done to see if the problem solved. Simply go to settings, scroll down and select the Safari browser and scroll down all the way. And here you will see clear history and website data. So once you have done this, then you can open the ChatGPT app to see if it starts working. And if it's still not working, then move on to the next step. The next step is update ChatGPT app. It's advisable to always update all the apps on your device. If you use an outdated ChatGPT, it can lead to major issues such as ChatGPT not working. You can go to your app store and then search for ChatGPT, and then if you see an update option next to ChatGPT, you can click on update and update the app to see if it start working. And if it's still not working, then the last step would be uninstall the ChatGPT and then install it again. If the other method or even updating the ChatGPT hasn't worked, then you can try uninstalling the ChatGPT on your iPhone, then reinstalling it. This can help remove any corrupted file that could be behind the ChatGPT not working. You can simply hold on to the app, click on remove app, then click on delete app. Then you can go to the app store again and install the app again. So hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.